he's moving.
Alright, guys. Stand by just one moment, please, for me, over.
Alright, guys. The reason he just stopped, I'm cutting this, so it's gonna be 2 clips. Now, the reason he stopped, guys, is because he was not supposed to go.
Sector, mile 54.3. Main 1, northbound.
Alright, guys, something's happening with the system right now. He just went into emergency, I think. I don't know why he stopped. The defect detector's going off again. This is totally broken. So yeah, guys, let's just watch and find out here. That was weird. Sorry, guys, the camera's full of rain because it's pouring out here. I think he went into emergency. I don't know, guys. Defect detector went back off again, though. Main 1 northbound. He's on 1 northbound. Sorry, guys, the camera's all wet because it's pouring out here. They screwed up.
CN detector, mile 54.3. Main 1, northbound, no defects. Temperature 64 F. Total axles 40. Speed 4. Detector out.
He wasn't supposed to have the highball drain through here.
I'd like to give you guys a call back here for these seat videos. Give me a couple minutes over. Okay, and ultimately, we're going to meet the Metro 119 there, and then I guess down to 68.3 for a recrew is what the plan is. But I'll call you back about these TCOs. We got some tedious guys here trying to figure this out.
That wasn't supposed to happen.
Yeah, it's okay to proceed to the next detector over. Also, just, hey, give you a heads up here. I got one in the site at Nestle. They reported maybe 10 minutes ago some kids, I guess, taking pictures. They're around milepost 71.5. 71.5, 4 kids. Just on either side of the track or between the site and the main. But there's some kids out there, I guess. Be on the lookout, please. And if you see them or if you don't, if you don't mind, give me a call back so I can update the team, please. Okay, copy that. At milepost 71.5, keep an eye out for kids. That's great. I guess also, I mean, this has been a little while now. I haven't gotten any kind of all clear yet, but the same train reported some, I guess there was some debris, some rocks, and like a cone put on the track right around detector 94.
fucking, where's the north? What's southbound thing at? Alright, guys. Well, they screwed up big time here. There's supposed to be a southbound coming, too. I don't know where the heck he's at. The end of this train's right here. Well, yeah, sorry guys about the lens. It's really dirty. It's raining out here pretty good. I don't know. That's weird. I want to see the signal shut off, man.